Welcome to the Beijer Ref Academy, one of the UK's largest refrigeration product training centres. We have the widest selection of eco-friendly refrigeration products under one roof.
This training academy is the showroom for the state-of-the-art products of today.
The latest sustainable systems, from the top brands, so you can learn hands-on.
So this is a CO2 booster pack. This will do chillers and freezers. Typically this is what you would see in a supermarket.
Learn to install and maintain refrigeration systems using CO2, A2L. Plus, get to grips with the latest air source heat pump tech.
It's all the supplier products that have got sustainable products for the future.
Our team delivers factory-approved product training, so you can offer certified installation and maintenance, and extended warranties.
This isn't just about apprentice training, this is about engineer training.
This is the bits of Ecolite thermostat in there.
Yeah, coming here, it's made me a hell of a lot more confident.
Quite a clever bit of equipment this. We can either run this as freezer or chiller temperatures.
For us, hands-on training is the way to go.
That's phenomenal. CO2 stuff, A2Ls, and then you've got the main rigs down the bottom there.
We want the engineers to walk out of this academy and feel not just competent, that they do know what they're doing.
There's a lot of scaremongering on around CO2, A2Ls, mildly flammable, high pressures. We're taking away the mystique is what we want to do. We've got to be more environmentally friendly.
The first academy is near Leeds, and more are planned, so get in touch.